Hi, good day, everybody. So here's another exciting um, chapter Fabulous for Fabulous Inventory chapter, a new chapter now. So go to your Schoology, week number 11. For GB1 is 2S1, 2S2, 2S3, week number 11. As you can see, week number 11, chapter Fabulous Inventory part number 1. Click on it, and you can see two files in there. You can see two files in there. The first one is data file link, and the other one is your Fabulous Inventory, the chapter itself. So click on data file link, Fabulous Inventory, part number 1. Click right in here, data file link, Fabulous Inventory, part number 1. Download Fabulous part on your local computer. Click on it. You're able to see this. Now you can go ahead and download this file on your local computer. It will take a minute to download. It's gone in to download directly. So click on the downloads and you're able to see that this file for Fabulous part number 1 is downloaded with the zip folder. So this file you cannot work on because it has a zipper on it. You can extract, right click on it, extract all, and then it will open up your file, extract. It will take a minute and that will open up your zip folder and place it right beside it. That is the folder you can work on your files. So here is two. One is with the zip and one is without the zipper. So click which is without the zipper. Click on it, and then you're able to see Fabulous, the blue icon file. Double click on it. That will open up your data file in Sage software. So once it's ready, then we will come back in here. In the meantime, data file, and go back one step and open up your Fabulous file where we are going to read step by step, one by one, and then we are going to complete it. So guys, what is this? This is an inventory chapter. So what is inventory means, guys? Inventory means stocks. So we are going to do the stock in here. So first thing first, it will ask me what is the date. So date on your chapter, it says February 7th. So I am looking at my date. It's called February 1st. I can write down in here as February 7th, or I can click on the calendar. Click on February 7th. Press OK. And then it will open up your database, which is something like this. My database is ready to work on now. Now I have done the first portion. Now I'm going to do the first question. Now, what is the first question? As I said, this is a inventory chapter. Inventory means stocks. So we have all of these items. What is these items, guys? You are able to see these items in a fitness center or in a gym. So fitness center and a gym, you have seen these items. So we are going to sell these items from our gym, which is called Flabuless Fitness Center, to this company called Butali and Xerox Lawyers. So let's read the question and understand the questions. This is a sales invoice number 3000. Date is February 1st, 2019. Sold by Kiss Angel. So that is the name of our salesperson. What is the name of the company? Butali and Xerox Lawyers. What are my items? So guys, the first line is the quantity. The second line is the item number. The third one is item description. So for example, as you know, we have dumbbells, we have treadmills, we have books, yoga, right? And then this is per unit price. So what does that mean? We have 3 units of the first item multiplied by 90. What is the total? $270. That's how we are going to calculate. Then each item. We're going to record each item in our data file. Then we have the delivery. So what is delivery, guys? Delivery again is shipping and handling. The other name of a delivery, it's shipping and handling. And there's a third name as well, which I will tell you once we reach at this step. And then GST, RST. What is GST? Taxes, and RST. RST and PST exactly the same thing. So Karan comes to me, sir, what is PST? PST is provincial, and what is RST? RST retail. Both are the same, guys, right? So in here it's 8%. Term is 2, 5, and 15. Again, what is the term? I will give you 2% discount if you pay me in 5 days. Otherwise, pay me full amount in 15 days, which is end. So this is how we read the question. We understood the question. Now the third part and the final part, we are going to record the question. Okay, so let's go in the system and then start recording step by step. So be careful when you're recording, guys. Let's do it. So go into the system, and then this is a sales invoice. So if this is a sales invoice, then it is receivable because we sell something, right? So click on the sales invoice, maximize the window, and then now again, what would the method of payment is? Pay later always. Why? Because we have the term. Then the invoice number is 3000. Then what is the date? In the question, date was given to us February 7th, February 1st. And then what was the name of the customer? Butali and Xerox. So right in here. Then the item number. So I'm going to read these item numbers, guys, all one by one from here. Okay, and record it on my screen right here. The first item number is A050. Click on it. And how much is the quantity? So quantity is 3. Press tab. Use the tab button on the system. Tab, 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 and tab, and get out of your first transaction. So tab will help you a lot to complete this question. Next one is A030. Select it. How much? 40. Guys, 40 what? 40 per kg. Tab, tab, and this is dumbbells, right? And then the amount 100, then GP, then total. Come out of this transaction. Good stuff. Third one, E010. E010. How much? How many of those? 1. Tap, 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 tap. Come out of this transaction. Next one, E020. Okay. E020. How many of those? 1. Tap, 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 tap. Perfect. Okay. Come out of it. E060. Okay. E060. Perfect. Select it. How many? 2. Tap, tap, tap. Make sure you have the GP. Taxes is GP. Why? Because we are charging the taxes on both. G is GST, P is, and take a look, G is for GST and P or RST is 8%. We're charging both taxes, right? Next one is B010. Now, take a look. B010, it has only one tax, which is called G. So we are going to change the tax code to G only. Perfect. Let's do it. What is the item code? B010. Okay, B010. Select it. How many? 5. Tap, tap, tap. Perfect. Now we go to our tax code, which is G only. Click on it. G. Perfect. Next one. S040. S040. Perfect. So S040. Click on it. And how many? 6 of those. Tap, tap, tap. And then we have the G code as well. So we have completed our transactions. Now the remaining is the delivery. As you can see on the screen, it has delivery for $50 and the G code. No problem. Now, where are we going to do delivery here? No, the delivery has another name, guys. So delivery have 3 names. The first one is called shipping and handling, then the delivery, and the other one is called freight. So here we are going to record the freight. How much? $50. Press tab, and that will give you GP code. Total comes to $9,789.60. And that is what your total, right? Please take a look at your terms 2, 5, and 15. 2, 5, and 15. So now my question is done. No. Take a look one more time. Invoice number 3000. Date is February 1st. Salesperson. We have the salesperson in the question, which is called Kiss Angel. Right? So select that Kiss Angel. Pay later. Everything is good. Yes, but we would like to take a look at the report. Click, take a look at the report. Both sides balancing. Yes, they are balancing. Perfect. Now I can post this. Post it. Yes, the transaction was posted successfully. Press OK. First question done. Close the window, go back to your original window. Question number 2. So now I'm going to read question number 2, guys. So question number 2 has something to do with create shortcuts, so we don't worry about that. Let's do question number 3. So now question number 3. This question is inventory for accounting for inventory purchases. Purchase invoice number PE364, February 2nd, 2019 from Pro Health Exerciser Inc. What is the item number? E010. First one, second, 2 items. Then we have the freight GST given to us. Term is given to us. So what is term? 2, 10, and 30. 2 means I will give you 2% discount if you pay me in 10 days. Otherwise, pay me the full amount in 30 days. Perfect. So we understood the question. Now we're going to record the question. Let's go to the system. It's a purchase invoice. So it has to be in payables right in here. Purchase invoice. Click on it. It will open up a window. Maximize the window. And let's start recording. So first thing first, it's pay later. What's the invoice number? Invoice number is PE-364. What's the date? Date is February 2nd. Then what is the supplier? Supplier is Pro Health Exerciser. What's the item number? Is E010. Perfect. Quantity 4, press tab, 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 tab. Come out of the transaction. Second one, E020. Perfect. E020. How many of those? 4 units. Tap, 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 tap. Come out of the transaction. Then we have the freight. How much is $100? Okay. Then G code. Notice something that there's only G code in here. So we worry about G code. Problem is my total is not exactly, the total is 10,815 and my total is 10,605. So what is the difference? Notice something that your amount in here, it says on your sheet at the very bottom, click 4,400, the amount entered as a default, type 4,600. So we're going to do click on 4,400 and then we're going to type to 4,600. Now, when I go back and my total comes to $10,815 exactly as per our question. Take a look at the report. Both sides balancing. Both sides balancing. Yes. Now I am ready to post my question. So second question posted. Second transaction. The transaction posted successfully. Press OK. Close this window. Go back to your original window. Question number 2. Question number 3. Done. Okay. Question number 4. So let's do question number 4. Question number 4 is talking about the adjustment of what? The making in adjustment of inventory. So what happens? Memo number 2, date 2 from owner, adjust inventory record for stability balls, item A070. 3 balls were punctured and unusable. So current comes to me, sir, what is stability ball? So here is what is called stability balls. We use them in gym. These balls, people do exercise on them, right? So these are called stability balls. Okay, so different kind of exercises. So these 3 balls we received, those 3 balls were punctured. So we want to take those ones off from our inventory. How? Let's do it, guys. So in here, inventory. This time we are going to use the third tab, which is inventory and services. Click on it, and it says in the question that adjust inventory records for the stability balls. Perfect. So adjust inventory icon. Okay. In here, you have this icon, adjust inventory icon right in here. Okay. And then maximize the window. Let's do it. What is the source? Memo number 2. Then what is the date? What is the date? February the 2nd. Date is February the 2nd. Perfect. Okay. And then the comment. What is the comment, guys? Comment is damaged inventory. Damaged inventory. Perfect. And then what is the item number of that? In the question, it is given to us A070. Click on it. And how many of those? It's 3. But because this is returning, we are returning it, so it should be -3. So your answer should be -18, which is right in here. Take a look at the report. Both sides balancing. Yes, both sides balancing. My question is right. Go ahead and post it. The transaction was posted successfully. Close this window. Go back to your original window. Question number 4, done. Next one, question number 5. So let's read question number 5. Question number 5 is adding a new inventory item. So here we have 2 items which we want to add. Create new inventory items for winter promotions. We need to create the group as well, asset group, which is 1570, the number and the name promotional offers. Here is 2 different kind of items, P010 and P020. Both are different. Why? First one is yoga training. Second one is training workout package. These are the pricing. These are the preferred pricing. Then the asset, revenue, COG, tax, and the last line is variance account not required. So remember that we are going to do one by one. Okay, so now this is an inventory item. So we want to add inventory. Perfect. Go to our main screen, inventory and services, and then add inventory. So it will open up this screen and we are going to add one by one. What was the number, guys? First, P010. Perfect. What was the description? The description was yoga training package. Yoga training package. Okay, and then in here, minimum level. What is the minimum level? It is given to you in the question, 1 only. Then the units. It is called a package, not each. So click in here. Oh, sorry. It will tell you it's a package. So yeah, click in here and change package, the second unit in package. Then the pricing. What is the price? Regular price is $1,400. Perfect. What is the preferred price? $1,250. Perfect. And what is the web price? Web price is not given to us. We don't worry about it. Put 0. Then the linked. Linked is asset account. What is the asset account we are looking for? 1570. 1570. So there's no 1570. So if there's no, then we are going to create it. How can create? There's no create button. In this way, what are we going to do? We're going to write 1570 and press tab. So it will ask you, the account does not exist. Do you want to create it? Press add. Number comes and then the name. I'm reading all this information from our books, guys. Okay, so promotional offers. That was the name of our account. So 1570 and promotional offers. Next. Click on next until you see the word finish. Finish, right? It will ask you, do you want to create it? Yes. And then a revenue account. What was the revenue account, guys, in the question? 4020. Perfect. And what was the COG? 5060. Perfect. And it says variance. So remember that variance, it says not required. So we don't worry about it. Then the build. Nothing to change. Statistics, nothing to change. Taxes, GP means we charge G and we charge P. Not exam, guys. So this is okay. Nothing to change. Additional, nothing to change. Detail, nothing to change. Save and close. P010 comes in your inventory item. It's right in here. The next one is P020. It's there? No. So that means we have to create it. So now how to create it, guys? Click inventory service, add. What was the item number? P020. What was the description? The training workout package. Okay, training workout package. What is the minimum level? 1. Then we have to go units. How much units, guys? It's called package. So this is package, PKG. Then the pricing. So what was the regular price? Regular price is 1400. Regular price is 1600. Then what is the preferred price? 1400. Then the web price, we don't have it, put 0 in there. Then the length, which one? 1570. 1570 right here. We don't have to create it, we already created. 4020. Okay, for revenue. For COGS, cost of goods sold, 5060. Perfect. Variance, we don't have to worry about because it says no. Built, nothing to change. Statuses, no change. Taxes, no change. Additional, no change. And detail, no change. Save and close. And you're able to see now under inventory item, P020 is there. So this is how we created two different packages, P010, P020. Now we have created, we are going to work on these two in the next question. So now question number 6, let's do it. Question number 6 is telling us about item assembly -1A01, date is February 3rd, 2019. Create 5 yoga training package, transfer 5 of each component as follows. So guys, this one in here, item assembly, this question has 3 parts. One is called item assembly, second one is called additional cost. So in the item assembly, we have 5 items, then additional cost, it's 450, and then there is another part called assemble items, and it will have only 1 item. So it has 3 parts, 1, 2, and 3. And you will see what I'm talking about once I will go to the question. So we read the question. Now we are going to record the question. How? Go to our system, and then we are going to do it. So Karan comes to me, sir, confused. Which one we have to choose? So in the question, it says build from it item assembly. So in the question, it is given to you right there, build from item assembly. So why confuse? It's written right here, build from item assembly. Click on it. And now maximize the window. You're able to see 3 parts. What is the first part, guys? This is your first part, additional cost, and then your assembled items, assembly components, assemble items, and additional cost. Let's start the question. Source. What is the source, guys? IA-01. What is the date? February 3rd. Then what is the comment? Comment is yoga training package. Right? What is the item number? The first item number A020. Okay. Then quantity. Quantity is 5. Tab, tab, tab. Come out of the transaction. Second item A050. Okay. What is, how many items? Item is 5. Tab, tab, tab. Come out of the transaction. A070. How many? 5. Tab, tab, tab. Come out of the transaction. A080. How many? 5. Tab, tab, tab. Come out of the transaction. E040. So E040. How many? 5. Tap, tap, tap. Come out of the transaction. My 5 transactions are done. Now additional cost. In the question, additional cost is 450. Punch it in. Right in here. Then item. Now the assemble item. P010. So look for P010 and put quantity 5. Tap, tap, tap. In here, unit cost did not not given to us, and amount is not given to us. But in the question, we have given the yoga training package per unit is $840 per package. So punch it in, $840, and then press tab. It will automatically calculate. And if you take a look, both sides, 4200 and 4200 becomes balance. Let's take a look at both sides. 4200 and 4200, both sides are balancing. Yes, they are. Now I am ready to post it. Perfect. So this is how my question number 6 is done. Go back to your original window. Question number 6 is done. Next one, question number 7. So let's go to our Schoology, question number 7. Let's read question number 7 and complete it. So question number 7, item assembly IA-02, February 3rd. Again, 5 item, more than 8 items given to in here, additional cost 450, and then P020. So this question have also the 2 portions and store assembly and recurring transaction. So it has one more step. Other than the all the other steps are the same. The difference between question number 6 and 7, it has that extra step right here at the bottom. So let's do this question. Go back to our main window. Bill from item assembly, click on it, and then start the question. IA-02 -02. What is the date of this question? February 3rd. Perfect. And what is the comment? Comment is training workout packages. Next one, first item number A020. Okay, and then how much quantity? 5 is the quantity. Tap, tap, tap. Then A040. What is the quantity? 5 is the quantity. Tap, tap, tap. Then A050. How much is the quantity? 5. Tap, tap, tap. Come out of the transaction. Then A060. Please make sure you're exactly doing the same as I'm doing. Why? Because if you mess up with the item numbers, you're not able to, your number not matching with my numbers. A070. Perfect. Then how many? 5. Tap, tap. Come out of the transaction. Then A080. Perfect. 5. And then come out of the transaction. A090. Perfect. 5. Tap, tap. Then A100. How many? 5. Tap, tap, tap. Then E030. Perfect. E030. How many? 5 of those as well. So you are now out of the transactions. Now, additional cost is given to us in the question, $450. Tab again in here. Now, P020. So P020 in here, how many? 5. And then in here, the unit cost. Again, take a look at the unit cost in question number 7. It's $909. So punch it in, 909. Tab, and it comes to 45.45. Both sides balancing? Yes. Take a look at the report. Both sides are balancing. 45.45. Right. Now, one more step. It says this happened on a random frequency. Perfect. No problem. So go to in here. Do not click it. Store as recurring transaction. Click on it. And you have to choose monthly. Right now, the default is monthly. Choose a random. Press OK. Done. My transaction is complete. Now I can go ahead and post it. So click on post, and it says the transaction was posted successfully. Press OK, close this window. Question number 7, done. Next one, question number 8. Sales invoice 301, dated February 3rd, sold by Precor to Red River College, preferred customer. 3 items, GST and PST, and term is given to us 215 and 30. Free delivery, allow customer to exceed credit limit. Karan comes to me, sir. How are we going to do care of this? So once we complete the question, this message will automatically come on. Let's complete the question, guys. So go to your main window, and this is a sales invoice. Whenever there is a sales invoice, we receive money, right? So click on receive money, sales invoices. Click on it, and let's complete the question. So in here, first of all, it says pay later. Why? Because we have the term given to us. Then the invoice number 3001. Yes, February the 3rd. Perfect. February the 3rd. Then customer. Who's the customer? Customer is Red River College. So Red River College. And the first item number. What is the first item number? A030. Perfect. Click on it. How many? 80. Punch it in, tab, tab, and come out of that transaction. Number 2, E040, E040, perfect. And how many of those? 3. Punch it in, tab, 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 come out of the transaction. And then E080, E080, perfect. And how many of those? 3 of those as well. Come out of the transaction, perfect. Good stuff. Now, done question? No. Take a look at 215 and 30 in here. This is your total. Yes, one thing you're missing the salesperson. Who's the salesperson? Precor, right? Precor George, right in here. Pick up his name and then take a look at the report. Both sides balancing? Yes, both sides balancing. Done question? Yes. Now I can go ahead and free delivery, I can go ahead and post it. Once I post it, the last line would come on. So the sale will cause the customer to exceed the credit limit. Are you sure? The answer is yes, because in the question it says allow customer to exceed credit limit. So I press yes, posted, the transaction was posted successfully. Press OK. Question done. Close this window, go back to your original window. Question number 8 is done. Question number 9. So question number 9 is talking about something which is called entering sales return. So this transaction we already made. We are going to return something which in the first original question we bought 3 treadmills. Now we will only use 2. So we're going to do -1. So this is a sales return. So whenever we do sales, that means we receive money. So sales invoice in here, we're going to return this. So its term is 2, 5, and 15. So it's a pay later. Then invoice number. Invoice number is 3000 minus R. Minus means that is dash R means return. February 3rd. Who is the customer? Butali and Jurox. What is the item number? Item number E060. E060. Click on it, and then what is the quantity? -1 in the question. Then everything comes right in here, -1. Then GST, PST, and it says create a new account. So what is the account in the question? It's given to you right here. Create a new sub account call. The number is 4050 and sales returns. So let's take a look if this account is there. Click on it. 4050. It's not there. We are going to create it. Click on create. 4050, and the name of this is called sales return. Perfect. Select next, press the next button till you see the word finish. Okay, and then in here, my question is done. Absolutely, it is done. Now take a look at the report. Both sides balancing. Yes, both sides is balancing. Credit to debits. Yes, perfect. Question done. So who was the salesperson? Kiss Angel. So put his name, and now your question is done. Post your question. Successful. Posted was successfully. Perfect. Close this window. Go back to original window. So question number 9 is done. Question number 10. Question number 10 is a payment check. Number 251, date February 3rd, 2019 to Pro Health Exerciser, 10,609 in payment of account including $206 discount for early payment. Reference invoice number PE-364. Guys, so this invoice is already made. We just want to make the payment. So we have to find this invoice. So it has to be under payment. Let's take a look. Where's the payment? So under receipts, under receivable, it's called receipts. Under payables, it's called payments. So click on payments, maximize the window, okay, and then read the question on your Schoology. What is the name of, what is the payment check number? Payment check number 251. Great. What is the date? February 3rd. And what's the name of the company? Name of the company is Pro Health. Pro Health. Click on Pro Health Exerciser. Click on the invoice number PE-364. Click on it and press the tab button. This tab button will do a magic. It will bring automatically your discount. It will bring your automatically your payment amount, which is 10,609. Come out of the transaction. Never ever leave the comment section. So what I'm going to write, the full thing. Reference invoice number PE-364. Perfect. My invoice is done. No. Take a look at the report. Both sides balancing. Yes, both sides balancing. Yes, my question is done. Now I can go ahead and post the question. So post the question, transaction posted successfully. Press OK, close this window, go back to your original window. Question number 10 is done. Now entering, question number 11, entering purchase adjustment and credit notes. Question number 11, which is our last question. So adjust purchase invoice PE-364-R. So this invoice we have to adjust it again. So we have to adjust this invoice. Let's do it and adjust the invoice. How? Okay, so go into purchase journal, and adjust the invoice. What invoice we are looking for? Press OK again. PE-364. Select it. It comes right in front of you. Okay, and now we are going to adjust it. How? So it is in the question, it says net 60 days. So that is a term. So pay later, yes. And then PE dash minus R. This is a return. Then what is the date? February 4th. Then who is pro health exerciser? Then what is the change? E010, right? How many? 3. So we are going to change to 3, from 4 to 3. Then tap, 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 come out of the transaction. Then E020, how many? 3 of them as well. Tap, 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 come out of the transaction as well. So in here, we adjust the invoice. Now take a look at the term. It says no discount. So delete that. No days, delete that. And you have to pay in 60 days. Full amount, freight is $100. Yes, everything is good. Total comes to 8,136 according to your question. Now, I'm going to post and there would be, take a look at the report first, and there would be a message comes on. So both sides balancing, yes. Now, let's do post and the message comes on. The message says credit note number, and you are able to read a credit note of $2,471.50 will be credited original suppliers. This is exactly amount which is shown to our question, $2,471.50. So these both are matching. Yes, press OK. And then it says the transaction was posted successfully. Press OK, close this, go back to your original window. Question number 11 done. So we have done complete questions 11. Close this window now. It will ask you, do you want to back up? Yes. Okay. Where to back up, guys? Back up and then your name. So write your name, guys. Write your name, then your HID, which is 1094745, and then your class ID, GB2S2, and then the file. So Fabulous part number 1. So you're done, part number 1. Press OK. That will come. Okay. So that will complete your file. Press OK. Sorry. Okay. Press OK. It will ask you, do you want to create? Yes, you want to create. Perfect. It will take a minute. It will create your backup. So it will give you backup in progress, and it will tell you backup complete. Once the backup complete, you are going to change backup complete. You're going to go back. It will close down your database, and you are going back into download folder. In that download folder, you are able to see the word backup, and here is your file. You're going to change this file into a Word document. Right now, it's a CAB file, so you cannot send it to your teacher. Right click on it, rename, and change the name CAB to DOCX. And then it's part number 1, so change to part number 1. Okay, click that. It will tell you, do you want to change it? Yes. Now you're able to go ahead and attach it with your email and send it to your teacher. So that is what our chapter Flabulous part number 1, guys. Completed, hurry up, complete, and send it to your teacher. So in the next class, I will meet you with part number 2. Thank you and have a wonderful day, guys. Thank you very much.